very honored to have got this golden opportunity to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi. Dr. Kiran Bedi is currently the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. I now request Dr. Kiran Bedi to enlighten the future managers of this country.
Congratulations and welcome to the new family of management and the world of management. Congratulate the parents who made it possible for their sons and daughters to come. And I want to also pronounce the Bala Guru. Balaji Guru. He is the Balaji Guru. I also bow towards you. Because you are the Balaji Guru. He is a management Guru, sir. You call him Guruji? What do you call him, sir or Guruji?
Bala sir.
Bala sir, no. Call him Bala Guruji. Because the Guruji sir is, sirs have gone. Guruji is here. It's a Gurukul. Call him Bala Gurukul. He's a Bala Guruji. When I was invited, well, first of all, I have very fond memories of my last year's invitation. Then I was not in the kind of position I'm in, responsibility I'm in today. But I haven't forgotten the energy of this fall, which brought me back today. Now, with this invitation, I started to think myself, in what capacity do I speak to you? Do I speak and address you, audience, as an administrator, which is my job right now, as a police officer of 40 years of experience, as a teacher who was a teacher before I joined the Indian Police Service? Do I address you as a mother who's gone through the motherhood and the pangs of being a mother, challenges of being a mother? Do I address you as a mother? What all do I address you as? As somebody who's lived a family life with all kinds of relationships, the in-laws, my own parents, the families. What do I address you as? As a student who also went on to do a doctorate, a law degree, didn't give up education, continued to write also through. So what do I address you as? What do I bring to you? Because all these are very vital parts of one's life. That's what makes you. That is what makes you. So what do you want? Role as a mother, role as an administrator, role as a police officer, role as a jailer, which Guru Balaji reminded you of. What do I do? As a daughter, as a friend, because sometimes you're a friend, sometimes you're a daughter, sometimes you're a mother. You so many things in life. Management of life is all these things, isn't it? Or is management only being a director? But director is so many things. So how do you direct all this? That's what management is all about. Management of all these roles. And does an education institution prepare us for all these roles? Yes or no? Yes. No, it doesn't. It doesn't train you to be a father or a mother. It doesn't. It doesn't train you how to handle family. It doesn't. It even doesn't tell you the practicalities of the challenges of the practical challenges of governance. It also doesn't train you also how to become a great citizen. It tells you, but in few years, how much can you absorb? It may tell you theoretically, it may tell you principally, but how much do you absorb? The success in life is all about managing all these roles, which I talked to you about. You can be a failure as a parent, and you may be a great success as a CEO. Is that successful? Is that being successful? No. Then you can be a Malya of Karodpati. Right? What is his full name? Vijay Malya. You can be a Vijay Malya of crores and yet be under a warrant of arrest. Is that successful? No. But I thought we were getting ready to become Karodpatis as directors. That's what we are, but we created them. Is that successful? So what is it, that role which we did not learn in a management school, friends, that has not really made us a happy, successful chief executive? Because in the end, the chief executive role, what you is your own fulfillment of education, and running your own lives. And finally, being an asset to Indian society, your Indian humanity, or the world as a whole. Which role do I talk with you about? Because each role is so interrelated. Therefore, my message, one common man's message is, unless you integrate these roles, and most of all, a human being, a role as a human being, a role as a human being whose heart beats for the poor, whose heart beats for the vulnerable, or is it only for profit? That I must have my balance sheet balanced brilliantly, surplus. What about my value balance sheet? Have I been dishonest in that? Have I been kind in that? So what about my human balance sheet? Do we learn to do a balance sheet here? In our financial management, are we trained a human balance sheet in our management schools? Yes or no? Then friends, you're all failing. We're working towards a failure or a success. It's a matter of chance. So friends, which role do I perform? I've been also a sports girl. So did I tell you about the sports challenges? Because all these roles have been played in my life. And all these finally merge. Somewhere I find my sports spirit, competitive spirit coming in. Somewhere in my mind, in my work, mothership comes in. Somewhere the police angle comes in. Somewhere the citizen angle comes in. Sometimes it's a fight for struggle comes in. All these are learned now. Now. And if you don't learn all these now, your school is. Now, is it the responsibility of the management schools alone to teach you all this? Or is it for you to acquire these as you study in your classroom? What you do before and what you do after. And what have you come with? You all come with baggages. You all come with your value baggages, your only biases, prejudices, and qualities and values. You all are different. You all are different. You all come with these differentiates. So how do you balance this? These are the real challenges of a management school. Management school, to my mind, how much you earn is only one component of management success. But what kind of manager you become, a leader you become, is the real challenge for this society. And are we passing that test? That test are we passing? Aren't we all managers as a politician? Aren't we all managers as a public servant? Aren't we all managers as corporate world? We're all managers. How are we mismanaging? Rampant corruption in this country is eating into the vitals of society. Anything you pick, it's corrupt to the core. It's corrupt to the core. And everybody is saying, what is in it for me? मैं जी लूँ, मैं manage कर लूँ, मैं कर लूँ, बाकी झाड़ भाड़ में जाए. That is why the country is struggling to survive. My heart is bleeding today right now. I'm in pain and agony, if you ask me, because I'm seeing the suffering in Pondicherry of the deserving NEET students who pass through the NEET examination, pass through the counselling of the CENTAC, go to the medical colleges, and they're turned away saying, 50 lakh now, come milega. The fee committee fixed up 5.5 lakhs of rupees as a fee committee. And they say, what fee committee? No fee committee, go. And what are they doing? They're challenging the whole society. They're challenging humanity as a whole. They're challenging the entire judiciary. They're challenging everybody. And what is the government in power doing? What are the people doing? Media is reporting. I must tell you, the Pondicherry media is 100% reporting. So friends, which area are you in? I am in pain absolutely. I'm inside waiting for justice to come for these children. If I have one goal in my life right now is how do I Pondicherry children get that justice? And if they get it, country gets it. If they get it today, country gets it. And if they don't get it, country waits. Aspect. Here are my thoughts for you. I mixed, by the way, I've done your homework. I mixed my maternal instincts, my administrative capability, my teaching, my reading, my writing, whatever I do for the last 67 years of my life, whatever I've done, I try to bring this to you as this. First of all, my first step will be, I will leave these challenges with you. Is number one, don't go through life. Don't just go through life, grow through life. Don't go through life. What did I say? All these are aspects of growth. They're not a chapter in your book, but these are very vital chapters of your book. It is not go through life. We go through, oh, I'm going through management school. No. Grow through it. Don't go through it. Grow through it. And in this growth, look for hidden meanings behind every aspect of your subject. So number one is, I want you to take home these points, and if you want to note them as students, note them down. If you have a pen and a pencil, note them down, because this is a culmination of a lot of research work I picked for you as what attracted me to be relevant. Number one, don't go through life. Don't go through life. Second, you will be what you think. My second challenge will be, well, you will be going through life. You're not going through life, you'll be growing through life. But grow for what? What is your image? What is your image? The second thing is, you will be what you think. You are already what you thought. You will now future be what you think. Who are your role models? Who inspire you? So you will be what you think. So therefore go back and ask yourself, what do you think? हाँ आएगा, नौकरी मिल जाएगी, काम हो जाएगा, शादी हो जाएगी, डाउरी भी आ जाएगी, डेजिग्नेशन भी मिल जाएगी, घर भी मिल जाएगा, मम्मी डैडी भी खुश हो जाएंगे, बैंक का उधार भी उतर जाएगा, धीरे धीरे, कभी कभी. So question is, you are what you think. What I am today is what I thought. Let me tell you that. I take it that you thought of what you think. Number one, perseverance. First of all, do not give up. Persevere. We persevere every day in our life here. Every day in the morning, I get up at 4 in the morning to persevere for justice. Persevere for hard work. I have no holiday. Just as our Prime Ministers have no holiday, your sister, Kiran Bedi, has also not had a holiday. Ever since I've taken the charge of 2020, I have not had a holiday. Because there is no holiday. In this work, there is no holiday. So friends, persevere. Continue to persevere. Don't wait, मैं जीता या हारा. Persevere. Second, nothing will come free. If you think, oh, this will come free easily, nothing comes free in life. You want a trophy, you want an achievement, you want a goal, you want something, you have to strive. Something is in time and sometimes in feeling. You have to give. You have to give to get. So the youth must get out of this head, oh, thing may come free. No, nothing comes free. These are the natural laws. Get out of these factors. So ये free मिल जाएगा, वो माफ हो जाएगा. नहीं, nothing will come free. Strive for it. Earn, deserve. To earn and deserve. You will earn. As you earn, you will deserve. But if you do not earn, you will not deserve. I remember a story. When I was playing my competitive tennis at the age of 16, 17, by the way, I won my Asian tennis title in Pune in 1972. I was skinny and I was looking the way I am. And my younger sister also went to play the Wimbledon. She was very small. She's 12 years younger to me. And she would look at me. I would be looking like a girl, getting ready to be married, very beautiful. And I had short hair like this. No cosmetics, no jewelry, nothing. And so she said, Didi, where? Didi समझते हैं? दीदी आप इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, इतनी धूप में खेलते हैं, इतना पसीने में आते हैं, सारे कपड़े गीले होते हैं, थक के आते हैं, एक छोटा सा कप लाते हैं. She told me, दीदी छोटा सा कप लाते हैं, ये कप तो चांदनी चौक में भी मिलता है. She said that. I have never forgotten. she's 12 years younger to me, who also went to play the Wimbledon and became India's number one. आपका मुंह बिल्कुल पहचाना भी नहीं जाता है, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है दीदी? चौंगी चौक से ले आते हैं. She did not know you had to earn. This is earned, not bought. As she grew, she learned. So friends, nothing comes free. The championship title, this may still come free, but the title doesn't come free. So ये भूल जाओ कि आपको कुछ चीज, कोई इंक्रीमेंट भी मुफ्त में मिलेगा. You have to earn extra for your next promotion, for your next. You have to earn, but you may succeed, you may not. Then you persevere. That's why I said perseverance. Third, there's an absolute law of uniform, a law of universe. You reap as you sow. That's the law of uniform. You नींबू बनाया तो नींबू मिलेगा, आम दबाया आम मिलेगा, नीम लगाया नीम मिलेगा, नीम लगा के आम नहीं मिलेगा. अरे आम नहीं मिलता, बड़ा कड़वा है. तो तुमने क्या लगाया? अरे मैंने नीम लगाया, सोचा भगवान जी की कृपा हो जाएगी, आम बन जाएगा. ऐसे हाथ लगाएंगे आम नहीं होता, वो miracles नहीं होते. So it's a law of universe. So three things: you are what you think can be achieved. So I'm only giving you practicalities of it. How do you achieve it? Number one, perseverance. Secondly is nothing, believe that nothing comes true. And third is the law of universe. You will reap only what you sow. What is the ideal leadership now? I'll take you towards leadership. What are the few things as an ideal leadership organizations will look for you? You will look for employment. You are looking for jobs. You're looking for placements. Let me tell you, what is it that they will look for you to employ you faster and better? Number one, your uprightness. Your uprightness. Now this is value system. Are you upright? They will test you. They will examine you. How upright, or are you manageable? Are you managing? Are you doing jugars? Or are you consistently upright? Number one. Secondly, how accountable you feel of your as an individual. क्या आप दूसरे को दोष देते हो कि अपनी accountability? Are you willing to take the blame? You are always looking for your self-accountability. Third is your collective leadership. That is the teamwork you have to learn now. We are here to compete. We all compete through the schools. Everybody. Have you got team? Houses क्यों बनाते हैं? School में why do they make house? Say house this, house. Why? Because they want to promote collective leadership. But when it goes to business, we don't do collective leadership. We do not. We are individuals. मैं अपनी दुकान खोलूँ. अरे इतनी दोस्ती बनाई, इतने फेसबुक पे फ्रेंड बनाए, कोऑपरेटिव कितने बनाए, कोलैबोरेटिव कितनों में किया? You will be tested because it's all teamwork in the corporate. So 3-4 things is very, very important, that they will be looking for your consistency of uprightness. They will look at your character of accountability. And third, they look at your team spirit of collective leadership. Most important, you must understand, the world today has no boundaries. Work no more has any boundaries. You see the environment? The world of environment has no boundaries. Water has no boundaries. Clean air has no more boundaries. Clean water has no more boundaries. Pollution has no more boundaries. Internet and social network has no more boundaries. It's a world without boundaries now. If you thinking मैं boundary बनाऊं, नहीं, वो तोड़ेंगे लोग. So understand that you are living now in a world without boundaries. So what is it that the institutions should do to create a new kind of leadership? Number one, not to create deputy managers, but create global leaders. Don't grow up to become deputy leaders, deputy managers. मैं deputy manager बनूँ, मैं manager. No, global leader कैसे बनना है? Everything you should know what is happening globally. So if you know everything, if you're keeping track of what's happening globally, what happened in Paris, what's happened in New York, what's happening in Manchester, what's happening now, what's happening in India, why is it happening? Unless you have this analysis, you will not be a global. Today the world belongs to a who? 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 Who does the board will belong to? Who? Speak. Yes. But a global leader who is also culturally integrated. He is a desi. ये नहीं कि इंडियन भूल जाए, माँ बाप को छोड़ के भाग जाए और मम्मी को छोड़े आए और आप बूढ़े हो गए. नहीं, global leader but local, where you fulfill your responsibilities towards citizenship of your own culture. That means you have your own culture in you, and our culture is we look after our elders the way the elders look after us. Understand? So create not deputy managers but creating global leaders. Second, now it's a message to the institutions. What do they do in there? How do they promote this? Second is collaboration orientation. Make companies here. Make groups here. आप friend हो, combined company बनाओ, combined project बनाओ. Work together so that you learn to keep this friendship beyond Facebooks, beyond classrooms. So secondly is collaboration orientation. Third is people developer. How do you develop people? Rather than product only, it's people developer. If you don't make people developing, then you are gone. Because it's finally in the end, it's a person that matters. One wrong person as a manager destroys, and one right manager rebuilds. So how do you develop people, and not people hierarchically? कि मैं उसी को बनाऊं. Anybody, even a PM can be multitasker. In Rajnivas and Pondicherry, friends, today, everybody is a multitasker. दिन में हमें खाना खिलाता है, कंप्यूटर चलाता है, योगा टीचर योगा की सुपरविजन करता है, बच्चों को फिल्म दिखाता है, विजिटर्स को टूर कराता है, सब कुछ करता है. He is an ordinary PM. जब मैंने चार्ज किया, बहुत सारे मल्टीटास्कर थे. They were called multitasking. Now they actually multitasking. So मेरे लिए वो PM नहीं है, मेरे लिए वो ह्यूमन बीइंग है जो कि अपनी काबिलियत को पहचाने, कितने रोल्स प्ले कर सकता है. So it's a people developer. How do you develop people? जो हम लोग whatever education we give, how are we developing people? Most important is how digitally dexterous you are. You have to continue, even if you are not in the world of IT. If you are not digitally dexterous and you're not latest in digital, you will be behind. You will be out of date. You will have to continue to be upskilling, which means you have to inculcate the thirst. सीखो, पढ़ो, करो, दिखाओ, बांटो, बोलो, लिखो, खाओ, कहो. So all this has to be challenged as new inductees. And the last is important, which I thought for you, was the wide awake overall environment. It's a very changing environment. Policies are constantly changing. Challenges are changing. Resources are changing. Areas are changing. Culture is changing. Habits are changing. So you've got to be very, very alive to change. And then how do you stay connected? Culture of connectivity. जुड़े कैसे रहते? सिर्फ फेसबुक और नहीं, बात तो नहीं कौन सी पिक्चर देखी, आज शॉपिंग कहाँ की, आज खाना कहाँ खाया, आज कौन सी फिल्म अच्छी है. No, it's challenging ideas. It's challenging lot of challenging ideas and good practices and sharing as much as possible. So finally, I want to give you 4 points of the leaders of tomorrow. Number 1, you will be tested on your learnability. Number 1 is how much willingly are you willing to learn? हमेशा learn करते रहना, जब तक मरते नहीं learn करते रहना. Promote नहीं होते learn करते रहना, मरते नहीं learn. जब तक हम जाते नहीं यहाँ से learn करते रहना. Secondly, बहुत important है, हम energy कैसे अपनी? How do we create energy? Your own energy. And for that, yoga is integral. Meditation is integral. If you have no energy, you are nowhere. Therefore, eat nothing wrong, drink nothing wrong, smoke nothing wrong, say nothing wrong. Why waste energy? Because even saying wrong is wastage of energy. Gossiping is wastage of energy. So energy building is very. So energy with learnability. Health है तो सब कुछ है, health नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. Third, very important thing is you have to be an idea factory. Idea factory of ideas. फैक्ट्री ऑफ आइडियाज कैसे आएंगे जब तक फैक्ट्री में ही नहीं जाओगे? यू वांट बी एन ऑफिसर से अब मैं आता हूँ, कल आता हूँ, 2 हफ्ते बाद आता हूँ, मैं रोज जाओ जाके फैक्ट्री में देखो, नमस्ते ही करने चले जाओ, हाल चाल पूछने चले जाओ। जब तक आप आइडिया फैक्ट्री नहीं करेंगे काम नहीं बनेगा। आपको पता है मैं आइडिया फैक्ट्री मैं कैसे चलाती हूँ? सुनना चाहते हो? मैं हर सैटरडे संडे आइडियाज के लिए फील्ड में जाती हूँ एज अ गवर्नर। जो 5 दिन में whatever has happened in the 5 days, the problems which have come to Raj Nivas through open house and through email or through social network, we pick up and we decide one day before we will go to the spot and see. And friends, whatever is written on the spot, जो लिखा हुआ है और जो दिखता है, कई बार बड़ा फर्क होता है। और वहां से आइडिया मिलते हैं कि इसका सोल्यूशन कहाँ है। और जो आइडियाज में मुझे एज ए गवर्नर मुझे मिलते हैं वो अनपैरेलल्ड आइडियाज है, निकले ही नहीं आइडियाज अभी तक, क्योंकि कोई गया ही नहीं, कोई जाता ही नहीं, क्योंकि वो बड़े अफसर है ना, बहुत बड़े अफसर है, बड़े अफसर है, चीफ सेक्रेटरी है, क्यों जाएंगे साहब? तो अंडर सेक्रेटरी जाएगा, मैं क्यों जाऊं? लेकिन अंडर सेक्रेटरी क्या मैं क्यों जाऊं? वो तहसीलदार जाएगा और तहसीलदार कहता है मैं जाऊंगा लेकिन मुझे क्या मिलेगा? तो आइडिया फैक्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आइडिया फैक्ट्री किताब पढ़ने से आएगा आइडिया, लेकिन आइडिया प्रैक्टिकल है कि नहीं वो तो फील्ड ही बताएगा। It will only tell you the thing. So friends, I am telling you, India will change in the next 1 month. The whole India country to be clean completely 1 month. You know how? Make the municipal commissioners bike the streets every weekend. Every municipal commissioner should go biking on the streets every weekend. Will they try? Goes on the cycles over garbage? Garbage हट जाएगा, भाग जाएगा, सफाई हो जाएगी। 2 जने अगर साइकिलिंग करने लग जाए तो फिट भी हो जाएगी, एनर्जी भी मिलेगी, फिट हो जाएगी बिल्कुल। They just have to be gifted a cycle. जब मैं समझती हूँ, and you know what? Even managers, sir, Guru Balaji, we need to do that. The day they start biking around the streets and going collecting with the factories, you will see the change. They will salute. हमारे चीफ मैनेजर हमें बाइक से मिलने आए, वो भी बाइकिंग करेगा, एनर्जी भी मिली, फिटनेस भी मिली। सो मेरे कहने का मतलब है 2 things, 1 ranks, 2-3 ranks, 2 ranks से शुरू करते हैं। Municipal commissioners start biking the streets and district collectors also bike the villages. Go to the villages and bike in the villages. Why go in a car? Go in a bike, on a bike and you'll see the change. सब पता चल जाएगा नाली कहाँ चौक है, कहाँ कुछ टूटा हुआ है और कहाँ गार्बेज है और कहाँ पानी नहीं है, लोगों की सुनाई हो जाएगी। 1 हफ्ते में आंदोलन आ जाएगा। आपका क्या ख्याल है? You agree? You agree? ग्रेट आइडिया। हायर एजुकेशन का कोई भी टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में हो, चाहे वो मेडिकल में है, चाहे वो कहीं भी है, कितनी टैक्स देता है? माफ कर दो उसको एग्जेम्प्ट कर दो। You will see everybody wants to come to teaching. I think it's a great idea. With such little investment, you can get the best people. I agree with you. It's a great idea. It needs to be examined. This idea should be examined, and the way my government right now is generating resources, this is nothing. It's surrendering peanuts to get almonds. By just peanuts, मूंगफली देके बादाम मिलेंगे, तो ये कुछ भी नहीं। वो जो उनकी जितनी मनी कलेक्ट होती है तो मूंगफली है, लेकिन मिलेंगे बादाम, तो बादाम आएंगे पढ़ाने, मूंगफली खाने। तो मेरा कहने का मतलब है आइडिया फैक्ट्री तो ही मिलेगी जब you go to the spot, and unless seniors shed their coats and ties and wear tennis shoes and others and go on the bikes, you will see ideas deliver and solutions come. So this is a hunt for the new leadership. Now two more things fun. सब कुछ क्या कर रहे हैं? हैप्पी होने की, खुश रहने की, है ना? दुखी नहीं। एक the key to being happy is learn to respect yourself and learn to respect everybody else who's around in your lives. The day you start respecting your own selves, and that respecting people around you, which is family, which is friends, which is your employees, anybody, is the key, the first key to happiness. Because after all, we are all doing to become happy. So I would like to tell you one key success to be happy. Secondly, how to keep momentum, how to keep going. Uska secret ye hai. How do you keep going? You might ask me, madam, how to keep going? Because I do tiny things every day. The key to is do small tiny things every day. आपको टाइम लगेगी लेकिन उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा होगा. Do so momentum रहेगा. It's like रोज एक्सरसाइज करनी. मैं 1 किलोमीटर वॉक किया, चलो कोई बात नहीं, 500 मीटर तो वॉक करें. So do your daily something tiny every day. Third, थकने से कैसे बचोगे? मैं बोर हो गया उस काम से, मैं थक गया. रोज योगा या फिटनेस जरूर करो. तो 3 चीजें करने से, एक respecting yourselves, secondly small things every day, third yoga and fitness, and finally मैं लाइफ में बैलेंस कैसे लाऊं? मेरी फैमिली भी है, ये भी है, कैसे करूं? वही काम करो जो मन को पसंद है, वो मत करो जो पसंद नहीं है. इसलिए सिलेक्शन राइट करो, सिलेक्शन सही करो, वही काम करो जो पसंद है, और वो नहीं काम करो फालतू का जो पसंद नहीं है. That is what will bring life balance, because you will be happy at work, you come home happy, you come home will also be happy because you're happy. So friends, these are 4 things I thought I'll speak to you as a mother. That is more coming out as a mother. That happiness होना जरूरी, momentum in life रखना जरूरी, अपने आप को थकाना नहीं, जारी रखना जरूरी, और बैलेंस लाइफ में होना जरूरी. लास्ट में मैं आपको एक करेज की डेफिनेशन देके जाना चाहती हूँ. हम सब बड़े डरपोक बन चुके हैं और हम सब करते हैं, मुझे डर लग रहा है, बहुत डर, इससे भी डर, उससे भी डर. What is the definition of courage? Courage definition is how to overcome fear. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage वो नहीं होता है जो fear होता ही नहीं. Courage नहीं कि absence fear है ही नहीं, सब में डर होता है, किसी न किसी चीज का डर है. Courage is not the absence of fear. There is a fear, but it's not the absence of fear, but the judgment that something else is more important than fear. Means अगर 2 choices हैं तो आप वो चूज करते हैं important क्या है. वो you choose what is more important. You understand that? It's not the absence of fear. It is the right judgment of what is more important for me at this time. जैसे आप देखते हो कोई डूब रहा होता है बड़ा, और एक आदमी तो बचाता है, एक आदमी नहीं बचाता. एक आदमी के लिए वो लाइफ इंपॉर्टेंट है ज्यादा. एक आदमी को डर है मैं ना डूब जाऊं, वो नहीं चाहेगा क्योंकि उसको डर है मैं ना डूब जाऊं. और दूसरा आदमी जो बचाता है, जो कोई गैलेंट्री अवार्ड देता है भगवान प्रेसिडेंट से, वो होता है, कहता है मेरी लाइफ तो ठीक, वो लाइफ ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, मुझे उसको सेव करना है. वो उसको डर ही नहीं लगता, वो चला जाता है, वो चॉइस लेता है. इस वक्त ज्यादा जरूरी. So courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is the right judgment of what is important at the moment for me. You understand that? To me, हम सब में कोई ना कोई चीज का डर है. जिंदगी में रोज अच्छा लीडर बनने के लिए, to be a good leader, आपको रोज सही जजमेंट का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. इस वक्त सही क्या है? अगर इस वक्त न्याय की जरूरत है, मुझे न्याय ही करना है. अगर इस वक्त मुझे इसको सुनना है और समझना है, तो मुझे इसको समझना और सुनना है, डरना नहीं. So friends, this is what is courage. और जिसकी लाइफ में करेज नहीं होता है, उससे तो जानवर भी अच्छा होता है. I told you that I was wondering what all do I speak from as a mother, as somebody who's got administrative life's experience, as a writer, a teacher, whatever. I've tried to mix all these things for you and brought them to you. You can find something of a mother in this, something of a citizen in this, sometimes of a leader in this, sometimes of a whatever you want to say. I thought this is the only way I can do justice to such a large galaxy of youth. You could be the change makers and transformers. You are the family of Guru Balaji, you should live up to this expectation and live up to the hard work these institutions, the Balaji institutions, are investing into you. Not only you, the country is investing into you. The country is investing into you. Grow up to live up to this inspiration which we are looking up to you for. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing these wonderful pearls of wisdom